Hello, welcome to another episode of Quarantine Cuisine by Chef Rube. Today what I'm going to cook is something so simple. The things that you can find in your pantry, and the reason that's why I give this to you, so that I will give you an idea what are you gonna cook. Sometimes it's really hard to think what you're gonna cook, but I hope this will help you to find a recipe that you can cook for your family. And today what I'm going to cook to you, as I said, a simple recipe is spaghetti sardines. So the first things that I have to do is to put the oil right there, okay? And the ingredients that I have, of course, the sardines right here. I have the tomato sauce, I have the ketchup, I have the onions and garlic, and I also have this celery right here. And of course, I already pre-cooked the noodles, and you can cook the noodles as per as direction. So first and foremost, we're gonna saute our garlic right here. Look at that. Wow. And then we're gonna put our onion too. Stir a little bit. I know sometimes you are tired of eating just the sardine alone, but or just sardine and rice, and sometimes you have something in your house like this spaghetti that your friends give it to you from Italy, and they just bought it right there and they gave it to you because they send you a balikbayan box now, and you don't know what to do out of it. So I'm gonna give you the tips how you're going to cook it and make it a spaghetti with this sardine sauce. And I know that you will gonna love it, especially if you are a lover of fish. So just cook this one a little bit like this. See, look at that, they're still green. So gonna put my pepper. I'm gonna put the salt later on, but right now just cook this one a little bit. So how's everybody's doing? This time in moment of pandemic, you know, every dollar counts. So whatever you have in your pantry, just use it, utilize it until this pandemic is gone, and then we were able to go back to our regular shopping. All right, so for the meantime, you know, I'm giving you the ideas on how you're gonna create a meal for your family, especially if your kids are longing for spaghetti and you don't have meat in your house, but what you have is the sardines, and I'm sure they're gonna love it. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put the sardine. I have this Lego with me in here. Look at that. I have 2 cans. Then we're just gonna cook it. Okay, I'm gonna cover it and cook it for a little bit. You don't need to cook them so long because, as you know, the sardines already cooked, they're already soft. So it's just only a matter of make it boil, and then you're gonna put this a little bit of tomato sauce and a little bit of ketchup, and then you just finish it with the salt later on. So probably it takes like 5 to 10 minutes to have this food ready, and you can give it to your children. You can eat it after that. Okay, let's check it out. Look at that. Wow. Okay. You're gonna put a little bit of. You can do it like this, but if you want a little bit more of sauce, you just add a little bit of tomato sauce. And I have ketchup in here too. Alright, let's see. Just stir it up. Yummy. Looks delicious. Let's taste. A little bit of salt. And boil a little bit. I'm preparing the noodles here. All right. Let's taste it. Oh man, it's good. I love it. Come on, let's it.